Hello everybody, I am Danny Lindner.
I am Ernesto Trejo.
And this is
Well, Danny, we're coming closer to the end of our high school careers, but in 4 short years you've managed to perform in all major critical sports. Congratulations.
Well, Ernie, there's one more sport.
What do you mean?
Roll that clip.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
So I'm here with the Elation Dance Company, and looks like they're stretching. I'm gonna try this out.
That. Yeah, just like that, and then put the straps behind your ankle so it doesn't fall off.
All right, we're doing a 4-step turn out, down. Now pick up the back foot and turn.
What was it? A sashay step?
Say. And then you're gonna step. And then you're gonna leap.
I call them sad dances, but I guess they're called contemporary, is that correct?
Yes, it's
Can
contemporary.
you tell me a little bit about them?
They have like a lot of more emotion.
A lot of grab, like reaching to the audience, right?
Oh, baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
So you step. Other foot. Yeah.
That wasn't that hard, but I guess we're doing it across the floor, so let's see how I do.
We are together. I need you forever. Is it love? What is love? Oh, baby, don't hurt me.
Can you tell me a little about hip hop? Any maneuvers, cool moves?
It's pretty much going with the music and the beat and just putting in your soul into it.
The real question is, you know how to do the nay-nay? Alright, well that didn't seem too hard, so I'm gonna try it out. Alright, so for this next dance, I'm actually in. So can you tell me a little bit about that?
Well, the dance is called Steven, and it's about a crazy girl who's obsessed with boys. And we're gonna be obsessed with Danny at the end because he's gonna walk. Well, we're not gonna tell you everything.
Wow, a girl's never been obsessed with me, so I'm pretty excited for this. If anyone thinks they have what it takes to join Elation, trials on May 8th. Now,
Back to the studio!
well, that's all we have for you folks. Make sure you go out and support the Elation Dance Company.
Now over to this week's WFSN with some real sports.